All right. Well, the next project is a heating and cooling van hitting the left front. The left upper rail is damaged. Looking at it, we noticed a little bit of sway. Got looking a little deeper, and really hard to tell with a camera, but there's a buckle back here in the rail, which means this frame rail, this piece here, goes all the way back into here. Will need to be replaced. So I set up the shark, the measuring system, got the beam under it, all the probes hung. Probe there, gives us our base measurement. Probes out on the end, and according to my computer, it's telling me that the left rail, the one I pointed out that was damaged, is 14 millimeters inward towards the center, 9 millimeters high. That don't sound like much, but 14 millimeters is approximately ½ inch, which ain't much, but parts are not going to fit. Headlight's not going to line up. Hood's not going to line to the fender, so on and so forth. And that all comes with that rail being bent, and that's why I need to replace it. The right rail is 9 wide, which is, this rail here is 9 millimeters that way. This one is 14 that way, and 9 high. So what I'll do is get this up on the frame rack. Good morning. Get this up on the frame rack and make adjustments, and then we'll pull the motor and the drivetrain, everything out of the front, and we'll cut the rail out and replace it.